Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. TrueLancer helps provide online data entry jobs by acting as a platform that connects freelancers, like yourself, with clients looking for data entry services. Here's how TrueLancer facilitates the process. 1. Job posting. Clients looking to outsource data entry tasks post job requirements on TrueLancer. They specify the details of the project, including the scope of work, desired skills, deadlines, and budget. 2. Job search. As a freelancer, you can search for data entry jobs on TrueLancer. You can browse through the available projects using filters such as job category, budget range, or project type. TrueLancer also provides a search bar to find specific data entry jobs. 3. Proposal submission. When you find a data entry job that suits your skills and interests, you can submit a proposal to the client. Your proposal should outline your relevant experience, skills, and how you plan to handle the project effectively. You can also include your proposed timeline and pricing. 4. Communication and negotiation. If the client is interested in your proposal, they may contact you for further discussion. You can communicate with the client through TrueLancer's messaging system to clarify project details, negotiate terms, and address any questions or concerns. 5. Project execution. Once you and the client agree on the project terms, you can start working on the data entry task. Make sure to follow the client's instructions, maintain communication, and provide regular updates on your progress. 6. Delivery and payment. Upon completing the data entry task, you submit the work to the client through TrueLancer. The client reviews your work, and if satisfied, approves it. TrueLancer facilitates the payment process, ensuring that you receive the agreed-upon payment through various payment methods supported on the platform. TrueLancer provides a platform where you can showcase your skills, find data entry job opportunities, and connect with clients seeking data entry services. It offers a secure environment for communication, project management, and payment, making the process more streamlined and convenient for both freelancers and clients. TrueLancer is an online freelance marketplace that connects clients with freelancers offering various services, including data entry. If you're looking for a data entry job on TrueLancer, here are some steps you can follow. 1. Create an account. Visit the TrueLancer website and create an account by providing the required information. You may need to verify your email address to activate your account. 2. Complete your profile. Fill out your profile with relevant information about your skills, experience, and qualifications related to data entry. It's essential to make your profile attractive to potential clients. 3. Search for data entry jobs. Explore the TrueLancer platform for available data entry jobs. You can use the search function or browse through the job categories to find suitable opportunities. 4. Review job details. Once you find a data entry job that interests you, carefully read the job description, requirements, and any instructions provided by the client. Make sure you understand the scope of work, deadlines, and payment terms. 5. Submit proposals. If you're confident you can fulfill the job requirements, submit a compelling proposal to the client. Highlight your relevant skills, experience, and how you plan to complete the task efficiently. 6. Negotiate terms. If the client shows interest in your proposal, they may initiate a conversation to discuss further details. Be open to negotiating the project terms, including deadlines, rates, and any additional requirements. 7. Start the project. Once you and the client agree on the terms, you can begin working on the data entry task. Follow the instructions provided by the client and maintain clear communication throughout the project. 8. Submit completed work. After completing the data entry task, ensure that you double-check your work for accuracy and quality. Submit the completed work to the client within the agreed timeframe. 9. Receive payment. Once the client reviews and approves your work, you should receive payment according to the agreed terms. TrueLancer provides various payment methods for freelancers to receive their earnings. Remember to maintain professionalism, deliver high-quality work, and build positive relationships with clients. Positive feedback and ratings from clients can help you establish a good reputation and attract more data entry job opportunities on TrueLancer. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.